Hello everyone, today I am going to discuss hardware and software. What is hardware? See the example here. Some input devices like keyboard, mouse, joystick, other output devices, monitor, printer, speaker, storage devices, USB and memory card, floppy disk and other devices, cable, CPU and motherboard. All these are example of hardware. What is hardware? Hardware includes all those parts that we can touch or see. Computer is made up with many parts. Some parts connected to CPU with the help of cable and wires. Some other parts are fixed, means inside the CPU cabinet. So, all the visible and hidden parts of the computer are called hardware. What is software? The name only tells. Let's see with example. Let's understand this by taking an example of human body. You can see and touch your head. Also, you can touch and see your neck and mouth. But you cannot see and touch the thoughts and feelings that come out of your brain. You can also not see or touch the words coming out of your mouth. This is software. The software parts of our body controls and directs other parts of our body and their functioning. What exactly is a software in context of computer? Software is a set of programs that tells a computer how to perform a particular job. Software is a set of program. What is this set of program? Program means many instruction or set of instruction to the computer is called program. And set of program is called software. Why we are using this program? To perform particular job, means any work, task. There are 3 steps of working of computer using the software. First step is input. Here I shown this keyboard input device. Inputting. Second step is processing, working inside this. Third step is output, seeing the result by using the any output devices like monitor. Next one, what is processing? It takes input from the user, process it and turns it into output. This is totally called processing. Who is the user? Who is using the computer? They are the user. Users processing and turned into output. Totally it is called processing. Example of software. You are familiar with this, I think. Computer games and application programs such as Notepad and WordPad. Notepad and WordPad we are using for typing the text, editing, deleting. Next, Paint to draw the pictures. These are all the example of software. See one small example here. Television set. Your TV. Television set is hardware. Totally that set is hardware, but the programs that we watch on it are software. Next, types of software. See the picture. Types of software. First one is system software. Second, application software. What is system software? It is set of program that controls operation of computer. This one is the system. Software is the set of program. Software means set of program, but system software means it controls the operation of the computer. So it is also called operating system because it operates the computer. Means it manages input, output and storage devices, acting like a manager of input device, output device and storage device. What are the examples of operating system? MS-DOS, Unix, Linux, Windows. Windows, it may be XP, Vista, Windows 7, Windows 10. This Windows operating system is most commonly used and popular. See the example, see the picture here. Windows logo on monitor. Windows logo. This is the example. Otherwise, one picture of the Windows. Next one, application software. What is application software? The name only tells application. Who is applying here? Users. Users are using the software. That's why it is called application. The software which is designed to perform specific task. It is a software. It is designed to do one particular task, specific type of work is called application software. See the example here. Many types of software are there in application software. First one is word processor. Why we are using this word processor? To do some task. What task? Writing letters, making notes. One specific type of work we are doing. Writing letters and editing and deleting the text. These are all things we are doing using the word processor. So it is called word processor. Example of this word processor is MS Word. Next one is graphic software. The name only tells graphic means image, painting. This type of software are used for drawing images on computer. Example, MS Paint. This is the example. This is the window of the MS Paint. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet software is a computer. The spreadsheet software in computer helps us to arrange our information in tabular form. What it does? It store all the information in tabular form. What is that tabular form? Tabular form means it contains rows and columns. We can also add and subtract number in the table. By using the number we can add that. Add and subtraction, division, any mathematical operation we can do using this spreadsheet. Example for this spreadsheet is MS Excel. Next one, database. It helps to arrange and store large amount of data. We can view data in the form of reports. For example, MS Access. Suppose in our school we are using the database, means in that database we will store student number, student name, student address, student and what are the information, marks, these things. After that we will taking the output of the report cards, marks card. That's why database is very useful. Arrange and store large amount of data. Next one is desktop publishing software. This type of software helps us design the pages with text and pictures. PageMaker and CorelDRAW are the example of such type of software. See the window. Here, to editing the paper, to make the alignment, they are using the PageMaker, CorelDRAW. Our daily newspaper, our daily magazines, they are using the PageMaker and CorelDRAW to set the page. Next one is, now we have to finish this exercise. Okay, tick the correct option. First one. What one is the storage device? Storage device means it stores the information inside the computer. Is it microphone? Is it printer? No, it is hard disk. Next one. Which one is an application software? Application, we are using that, users applying that. Is it Notepad? Is it WordPad? Yes, both A and B. Third, which is system software? We are using for the operation of the computer. System software. Is that MS-DOS? Linux? Yes, both A and B. Write the true or false. All the hidden parts of computer are called software. Is it true? No, false. Printer is a hardware. Yes, we can touch that, so it is true. Speaker is a software. Is it? Speaker is set of programs? No. So speaker is not software, so it is false. Windows is an operating system. Yes, Windows operates the computer, so it is an operating system. True. Unix is an application software. No, we cannot apply Unix, so it is false. MS Word is a word processor. Yes, it is true, because we can edit, we can insert, we can delete any text in using the MS Word, so it is a word processor. Write 2 examples for each. Input devices. Any device you tell. For example, keyboard, mouse. Output devices. Monitor, printer. Storage devices. CD, pen drive. 2 types of softwares. System software and application software. Now, try these answers. And okay, thank you.